All right, so today on the Fixit Shed, I want to take a look at this ratchet strap. As you can see, this lever here is out of place. It's bent a little bit so that it doesn't want to go back into the slot. So we're going to take it apart and see if we can get it straightened out. Okay, so there is just this little pin or wire that holds this together. So I'm going to unbend this so that we can get it out of there. Okay, and pull from the other side, comes right out. All right, and then there's a washer on here. All right, and so these two pieces right here that hold the strap that you slide the strap through are actually not connected except for the pin on the other side. So you can slide those out. Right, and then there's a washer on the other side here. Okay, and now these two ratchet gears, you want to make sure that you pay attention to their orientation, okay, because you don't want to put them in backwards or you're going to end up that way. You're going to end up not having a ratchet strap that doesn't work when you put it back together. All right, now get this piece out, and it's a little bit bent, so I'm just going to use some pliers and straighten it here a little bit. Okay, now we should be able to get this, put the spring back on, and feed this back in. There we go. All right, that's back in. Just gonna squeeze this a little bit, make it. Oh, come on. Get in there. There we go. This pin seems like it needs to be a little bent up a little bit. Seems like it's hitting down on the bottom there. So, all right, can I take this back out? There we go. Take that back out. And yeah, that's, you can see that's bending down a little bit. So we're going to straighten this up. All right, let's try that again. Alright, now it seems like it's working pretty good. So I'm going to bend these in just a little bit. Just to keep it, hopefully keep it from coming out again. Alright, so this is, when you put these together, these are going to be on the outside, so it's going to push them out a little bit. But we're going to go with that. All right, so let's put these back in, and now let's see, I got to get this gear in here, which goes this way. Okay. Yeah, there's that. Okay, and now I'm going to try and slide these two back in. put that on. Actually, we can get that washer on later. I'm going to try and get these two started first. There we go. There. That's in. Okay, now I can get this on there. There we go. Alright, now we just need the gear on this side, and again, we're going to make sure we get it going the right way. It's going to go this way. There we go. Line them up. Come on. Alright, and now we should be able to put the washer back on and slide the pin back in. Okay, and then bend it back over. Come on. I'm just going to use a screwdriver to keep it from turning. Alright. All back together and working like it should. Yep. While these are not the most expensive ratchet straps out there, they are at least repairable. So if you got something out of this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to help this channel out, please consider subscribing or becoming a member by clicking the join button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.